Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a peachy nude makeup look. This is mostly using drugstore makeup products, so I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to start with an orange corrector and I'm using the one by Palladio. This is a European brand. It's just launched in India a couple of days back, and this is a really nice orange corrector, a nice cheap alternative to high-end brands like MAC. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline Gigi Hadid Tinted Primer, and I'm using the shade light medium. This also comes in a deeper color which was way too dark for me, so I'm using this one. This is actually the first time I'm trying this, so this is sort of like a first impressions. It feels like a tinted moisturizer, gives a little bit of coverage. Next I'm going to fill in my brows, and for this I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I think this is the only non-drugstore product I've used in this video. This is just what I'm using currently, and I really like this pencil. Next I'm using this warm toned eyeshadow palette, also from the Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection. Mostly using a combination of these warm peachy colors and the light gold colors. First I'm using the light matte color all over the lid and the crease. Then I'm using the slightly shimmery peach and applying this all over the lid. The lightest gold color goes in the inner corner for highlighting. The birds have just begun. I'm then using that darkest, almost blackish brown color and running it along my upper lash line and a little bit along the lower lash line, just to give a little bit of definition. Next I'm using the Colorbar Perfect Match BB Cream, and this is in the shade 02. I really like this because it's very easy to blend, very light on the skin, looks very natural and stays fairly well in the Indian conditions as well. So I've used this on my face as well as the neck, and for the under eyes, once again I'm going with a Palladio concealer. You might remember I used the orange corrector as the first step in this video, just using this to brighten up the under eye area. I'm applying a bit of those peachy shades which I used on the lid along the lower lash line as well. For contouring, I'm using the Definer palette by Palladio. I'm using that center shade, and this is a really nice contouring color because it's a cool toned shade. It's got a bit of gray in it, so it's not the same as a warm bronzing color, and that's why it gives just this very natural looking shadow. To add a nice peachy flush to the cheeks, I'm using this blush by Maybelline. This is from the Flush Creator range, and it's a really bright peach color. I think it just looks really pretty on the Indian skin. It would suit darker skin as well. Then I'm using that same eyeshadow I'd used for the inner corner highlight to highlight my cheekbones as well as my nose. I'm just going to go in with my finger to make sure it is nicely blended. For mascara, I'm using the Lengthening Mascara by Palladio. This is really nice mascara for day-to-day wear because it's very easy to take off at the end of the day. It's completely water soluble, just washes off really easily, and that's why I personally really like it. And for the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Inti-matte's Nude lipstick in the shade Toasted Brown. It's a perfect warm nude brown for light and medium complexions. Doesn't look too pale or too dark. And that is the final finished look. It's a pretty simple and quick look, very easy to do, and certainly suits a lot of occasions. And as requested, I've tried to use more affordable products in this video, so I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.